let's take Todd Tovin's famous bacon fried corn and marry it with one of my family style favorite recipes. It's Grandma's fried tacos. The two of these marry perfectly, and I cannot wait for you guys to taste these at home. They're delicious, quick and easy, perfect for your next family style meal. We've got everything ready to throw down the famous Todd Tovin's bacon fried corn along with my grandma's fried tacos. These videos for these recipes can be found on the Blackstone Products YouTube channel, so be sure to go watch both of those. They're really good, quick, easy recipes for you guys to make at home. On to our bacon fried corn fried tacos. We're gonna start our griddle off on low heat and throw down some chopped bacon. While that starts, we're gonna jump over to our green onions, get them sliced up, chop up some cilantro along with some jalapeno pepper. We'll keep that bacon moving, keeping an eye on it, jumping over on to our ground beef for our fried tacos. I've got some 80-20 ground beef. We're gonna add to that some chopped up sweet Vidalia onion and season this with the Blackstone street taco seasoning. Give that a mix, jump back over to our bacon because at this point it is about 80% cooked. We're gonna drop down some frozen corn. I'm using Jersey Fresh frozen corn, which I love. Being from Pennsylvania, I'm right next door to Jersey and they have some of the best produce. We'll toss that in with the bacon, getting it covered and coated with all of that beautiful bacon grease or liquid gold. Add to that our chopped up green onions, cilantro and jalapeno, reserving some for garnishing. And then I like to go heavy on the garlic paste. This is another one that Todd got me hooked on. I usually love fresh garlic, especially in my fried corn. However, he has me using this garlic paste and it's such a good shortcut. We'll mix that through to coat everything. Now I know he uses the Blackstone Tequila lime seasoning. I am all out, so we're using the Blackstone street taco seasoning. Give that a mix. Once this is done, our bacon is nice and crispy. Our corn got nice and fried in that bacon fat. We're gonna remove this, setting it aside. Now back over to our ground beef. I've got corn tortillas. These grandma's fried tacos, I found these off of the Women's Blackstone Facebook group, and now we make these all the time. You're gonna spread your raw meat mixture right on these corn tortillas, and don't worry, this does cook perfectly through once it hits the Blackstone griddle. Before we drop them down, we'll clean off our griddle surface by just scraping anything left behind from our corn into the rear grease drain, wipe everything off, and then evenly spread a layer of oil. Doing this before you're cooking is going to keep your seasoning nice and even. Now we'll drop our ground beef side down onto the hot griddle. I've got my burners set to medium-high heat because I do want this 80-20 beef to get a nice char, just like a smash burger. After about 3 minutes, we'll flip these over. Moving quickly, add some shredded cheese. Now, I know the bacon fried corn is usually made with Cotija cheese. I didn't get that at the store. This is what I had on hand. It's just a blend of Mexican cheeses. Quickly fold these tortillas in half before they fry up too hard. You want to make sure you do it while they're still soft. That cheese is going to act as glue to keep these together. And now all we have to do is continue frying these on both sides, adding either a drizzle of oil or spray oil, and continue to flip these back and forth until they are as crispy as you like on the outside. Once these are done, we'll grab our taco rack, load it up, and then it's time to load these hot tacos with all of that bacon fried corn, topping it off with extra cheese, our reserved greens, which is our cilantro, green onion, jalapeno, and of course finish with some Mexican crema, or you could use sour cream, a post dust of our Blackstone street taco seasoning. You could add lime, grab that Cotija cheese if you want to use it, or you could also add some crushed up Cheetos to this, which is perfect with street corn. I grabbed myself some quick pictures of this for you guys before the kids come running out to steal these tacos because they are just that good, and I cannot wait for you guys to try these at home. So go make them and be sure to post a picture. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to see you guys for another family style favorite in the next video.